Okay then, let's have a go at 15. It looks pretty awful, doesn't it? We've got our properties of logarithms. This doesn't remotely resemble anything on here other than the log x, so we want to try and get some log x combinations or linear combinations of coming out from this expression here on the right hand side. So we've got a divide, we've got a cube root x. Now straight away I see cube root x, I want to write it as the power. Remember cube root x? That's just another way of writing the power third. And the square root, which we don't put the 2 on, it's just a default root. We just do power half, isn't it? And by the same token, if you had the fourth root, say, that would be that's also equivalent to writing the power quarter, okay? So just a little side point there. So let's just change that because we don't like the look of it. Alright? So write the question in a way that we find a little bit more easier on the eye for everyone. Okay, that's fine. Now, we've got an object divided by another object. So are we all happy that I'm working from the outside in terms of, as far as the bracket was concerned, and there's a single object on top and an object underneath. So I can use the divide rule, top take bottom, to split that up. So it'll be log of the top, take away log of the bottom. There we go. Great, that's a step nearer simplifying it. Now if you can see what I've written here, it's ln x to the power third. There's nothing in the way here, it's just a single object to a power. Single object to a power is there. And this little chappy can swing down to ground level on the next line, can't it? So we can write ln2, y equals ln2, minus the little chappy, the third swings down to ground level, ln x. There we are. Everything's on ground level, we've tidied that up. Now we can differentiate because everything's in our little table of derivatives here. So divide dx then, let's do the differentiation here. Now ln2, you tap it in the calculator, you get a number. Any number differentiates to 0. There we go. Minus 1/3 lots of ln x. There we go. That goes to 1 over x. Tidy it up. Divide dx then equals minus 1 over 3x. There we go. Input the value 1. 1 then. So we've got divide dx equals minus 1 over 3x. We're going to input the value 1 on the right hand side. 3 lots of 1 is 3, so we get minus 1 over 3. There we go. That's the answer. Number 15 is completed. Let's move on to the next one now then, yeah? Great.